In this video, we are going to work on this Pioneer DJ player. There is some issue on this jug. There is no lights, and also it is not working. It is not responding. We need to check the condition on this wheel, the jug wheel. Also, this light's not turning on, but it's working fine. And these three buttons are hard to press. If you are new to my channel watching this video, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you will get updated on my next video. Thanks to all my subscribers. I really appreciate it, guys, and hope you are going to continue your support on this channel. You have to take it out. This cable is out. Only one cable attached. Only this cable. First, we are going to check this board. What is the condition of the board? But before that, let me check this cable, because this cable is only the one attached on this board and nothing else. Oh, this is the problem. That's why the jug wheel is not working. There's a discoloration on the wire, corroded. Someone attempt to fix this. Okay, guys, we don't have a wire like this, so what I'm going to do is just to clean this one. But for this condition, I required to replace this flat cable. This is the possible cause. That's why the LCD of this jug has no display, because of a bad contact on this cable. Looks good now. Now let us test it again. Power on. Okay, all the lights on, and still there is no lights. Okay, we are going to start our diagnosing in this part. Let us check if there is bolts present on the board. I will just turn it on, and let us check the bolts over here. I will set my meter on 10 to here. It says it has 3.3 volts. Pin number 4 is ground. Pin number 3 is 3.3 volts. Let us check. And we do not have 3.3 volts. As you can see, guys, it has level here. This one is 12 volts, 5 volts, 12 volts, and here 3.3, 12 volts, something like that. So on every pins it has corresponding volts. Like for example, on this pin number 19, so 21, 20, 19, we should get 3.3 volts here. Ground, nothing. There is no supply. No, nothing. That is why there is no display. Okay, we are going to check over here. Here, ground 12 volts, 5 volts, 5 volts, 3.3, 12 volts. We are going to check directly on this part right now. The unit is still on. I will put my negative test rod on the ground. It says we should get on the pin number 18, 12 volts. 21, 20, 19, 18 is here, and nothing. There is no 12 volts. Why? And this line is over here, going to this cable, running to another board, this one, and I see the screws little bit loose over here. Oh, there is a corrosion on this part. This is a heavy corrosion. Anyway, we are going to clean it later. The first thing that we are going to do is to check the connection of this wire, why there is no 12 volts. I will just turn off the power, and then we're going to check this part. Cable is okay. Oh, okay. This one, guys, is loose. I think somebody has tried to fix this. Okay, wow, and it seems good. I need to check the jug wheel, if it is the jug wheel, if it's working or not, because we cannot go forward. Like for example, if there is a problem on this wheel and then we do the fixing on the taxits and we cannot fix the display jug, so we are just wasting our time. If it is, we can fix this part. That is why I'm just checking first the supply. Now I am going to check if the display is okay, or let me check first if there is a supply coming on the 18 pins. We must get 12 volts here. So I will just turn the power on. Okay. And then let me check if there is 12 volts here. Yes! Wow! We do have 12 volts now. Yes, yes. Now let us see if the display is okay. And yes! It has display now. Wow! This switch is not working properly, so we have to replace this. We should clean this before placing the replacement part, because if you do not clean this, you cannot place the parts perfectly. We have to remove the existing lead, and after that we must clean the surface. I'm just using a lacquer thinner to clean this area. I need to check also the LED. LED is okay. Okay, now I am going to install the switches one by one. I am going to start here, make it sure the alignment is correct. Apply soldering lead, and also here, push it down. Okay, and on the other side. Okay, and also here. Let's do the same for the rest. And for the last one, we have to align it properly. Okay, nice one. After replacing, we have to clean it. Now the three switches are properly installed. Let's move on this part. We have to replace this also. This one is not clicking, so that's why I am going to replace this. The rest are clicking. Removing this is very easy. You have to apply heat on both sides like this while pulling out the parts. Tack switch is out. And now let me clean the remaining soldering lead. Okay, and do clean it. We have to install this switch. This is the original one. It's not clicking anymore, unlike for this one. It's good. You have to set it properly. Push this switch down while you are heating on this side, and also on this side. Now tack switch is already set in place. Also these three switches. Let me check these four switches if it's okay. You have to set your meter on ×1. If this switch is good, my meter should move when you click. Good. 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 Okay, let's check this also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And this is the one that we replaced. Good. 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 How about this one? Let me check it also so that you have some idea how to test this. Let's check this one. Okay. And this one. Okay. And this one, the last one. Okay. So all switches on this side are okay. Now we have to clean this part. I am going to put wire on this line over here. Okay, I am going to add more soldering lead on this part. Now looks good, everything is fine. Now all the screws are properly installed and the flat cables, we are going to test it right now. Okay, this is the issue before. This one, this one, this one, this one, and the jug on. Now let me check if it is working now. Oh guys, check this one. The lights is on. Before there is no lights even if on this side. No USB. We try one music here. I don't have speakers, so we are just doing the test on this jug. And let me check. Yes! You see that, guys? It's responding now. Play. Yes. And let us check this button. Yes! It's working now. Also this one. Yes. Alright. And this one, there's no lights before. Yes. Info. Menu. Tab. Browse. All is working fine. Okay. Play. Okay. This one, okay. This one. Responding. Also this. Also this. Also this. And this. Everything is working fine. Okay. Sorry guys, because I don't know how to use this. But it's still working. Stop. View. Okay, the job is done. Hope you like my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching, and have a nice day to everyone.